I just ordered a bunch of stuff from Ipsy, and this is the Ipsy Ultimate Beauty Bundle. It's 4 of their bags, and it was $30. Oh my gosh, and they're all sealed, so we've got all 4 of the bags in each of these. So it's a super surprise. Let's see what we got. Today is gonna be mask day. I have a friend down visiting, which happens apparently quite often. I always have people here, which is awesome. I like it. And the dogs like it, and the dogs benefit from it. But I said, let's do mask day today. So today is face mask day. So we got 2 masks, and we have this pouch. This is kind of a canvasy. It's cute. It's kind of jungly print. Ooh, and that looks kind of jungly and like kisses. And inside is pretty and red. Let's see what we got. Considering I got 4 of these bags for $30, that's 2 of them for $15. So this is it worth $7.50? That's the big question. So I've got more stuff right here. What did I get, you ask? Smooth as Silk Hand and Body Scrub from Glow On Fifth Beauty. Hey Honey Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer. I guess after you scrub them, now you get to nourish them. See, they go together. There's a theme. Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. Oh, that's not really my color. This might go into the Christmas bin. I've started shopping for Christmas. See if it says anything else about it. You think? I don't know. It's dark. I just got rid of a lot of reds I had from over the years. I'm not opening that one up yet because I don't think I'm going to keep that one. But we'll see what else is there. And then we got Nomad Intense Eyeshadow. These are readers. They make it easier to see the small print as I'm getting older. But that's okay. Oh no, that's a pretty color. That's a keeper. You want to see? I'll swatch on my hand right there. Oh yeah, it's like a peachy pinky. That works. Toing. Oh, this feels a little cheap plasticky. Did it shut the whole way? Yeah, we all heard it click. So that first one, was it worth it? The 2 masks, the hand scrub, the hand cream, the lip stuff, and the eyeshadow for $7.50. I mean, yeah, you get the samples for like, what, $3.50 whenever you add them on. So yeah, that works. We're gonna see what we got. Are you ready? I'm so excited. Ah, there we go. That feels better. I got a MOTD Lay Looks Down brush. I do like brushes. It's a brush. That feels good. And it's pink, so it's definitely a keeper. I have a bag over here I'm just sticking them into. Okay, this is that same brand, that Mayeli. This is Clearly Brilliant. This is more my color. See? That looks like what I'd wear. So this might be a keeper. We'll see. Diana's Goat Milk Hand Cream. Oh, for dry hands. So these are always great to toss in your purse or toss in the car. We do live in Florida and it gets wicked hot. So we've got a little one. So I try not to keep too much in the car, but I do have, my purse, my backpack, the dog's backpack. Everyone has bags. Bags are everywhere. Maybe there's a reason I like bags so much. Cool, Day to Night Cool eyeshadow palette. So I think I'm a cool. I try to stay cool. This is super cute. Yes, I'm definitely keeping this one. Look at those colors. Now, Rich doesn't like the brown eyeshadows as much, but those are super cute. And it says on the little paper here what they are. Now, Coffee Run, All Over, Crease and Contour, Crease for the top, Lid Crease Corner, and Lid and Outer Lid. So now and later, I guess. Now I'm on top, later at the bottom, maybe daytime, nighttime. Either way, it's cute. I'll put the little paper back in there. Okay. And of course, because it's mask day, so we got more masks. This will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 masks so far on this haul. We got bamboo water for hydrating and nourishing, and we have tea tree for pore care and clarifying. So when Sam and Ray come back, we're gonna be able to have a lot of mask days too. And this one has people, because it's all about united and togetherness, and it's red on the inside. That's cute. It's like a pleather. I like that. That's really cute. So this haul was the Better Lip. What else came? the eyeshadow. No, the eyeshadow was last time, I think. The brush. They're all starting to blend together. Was it worth $7.50? Sure. Yeah. We'll say, yeah, it was worth $7.50. Okay. Next one, might as well just keep the glasses on so I can read and I don't have to put them on and feel like I'm old. I had eyes tested when we first moved here. Well, maybe not first moved. And it was just readers. That's all I needed. Okay, we've got 2 more masks. They really like the masks. This is vitamin A velvet mask, vitamin B5 velvet mask. This is for firming and beta glucan. And this is for soothing and panthenol and cica. Since I'm a child of the 80s, I thought it said Panthera or Panthera. So I've got 2 more masks. Add that to my growing mask pile. Ooh, I like this one. Look at this. It's all like chic and stuff. And it's fabric and pleather. It's a really cute one. I saw something like that might be really cute with a little cord tied to it, and it could just, you know, sew it into it. It could be like a little purse or a little waist pouch. That'd be cute for that too. Because apparently that was the problem with Ipsy, is you ended up with all these bags. But I'm like, the dogs can retrieve with them and I can send them home with the owners. So, oh, they sent me this is what to do with the stuff. Cleanse, tone, add on serum, apply eye cream, moisturize, and protect. That's how you do your face, guys. So what do we got? Clean It Zero, a tri-peel acid cleansing balm, pore clarifying. Doesn't look like that's too many uses, so that works. We got a Araceli gel pencil eyeliner. Ooh, in that color. In Sangria for an, I'm reading that right, eyeliner. Right? So, oh, I don't currently have anything that color for eyes. So yeah, that's a keeper too. We got a little packet. So far, yeah, it's worth $7.50 for me for this grab bag. Champagne Shimmer Eyeshadow. Oh, it's got plastic wrapped around it. That's not just the design of the package. Sometimes you never know. There we go. Oh, and it's another quad. They're all shimmers. It's way bigger with the glasses on. So that's pretty. I like that. I like those colors. That works for me. That's a definite keeper. And I love this size because what I want to have is to take some of these bags and get them ready with little things in them. You know, one of my little lippies, a little eyes, a little whatever. So I can just grab and go and know that I've got a complete set for touch-ups. And then this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Roses Matte Lipstick. Well, that's a little darker, but no, that works. Yay. So see, like something like that, like that's perfect to throw in your bag. And if you hate it, it can go. That was totally worth it. So this is kind of like a pleathery, but it's gold, and something was stuck on here, little tissue paper on a little pull tab. Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick. Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick 28 Honey Rider. That's pretty. I like that color. Yeah, I'll keep that one. Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerous Facial Treatment. Oh, it's Dr. Gold Fadden's Overnight Creamy Facial Moisturizer. Makes skin appear firmer and feel stronger, leaving skin supple and smooth and hydrated. Yeah, I mean, it's a small thing. So yeah, maybe. Verify 2020 Eye Cream. So my mom has some bags under her eyes and she hates them, so we'll try it or she'll try it. And then Hey Honey Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer All Day, Nourishing and Hydrating. I think I might have another one of these that we might have opened earlier. I don't remember, but we'll find out. And then masks. It's a different type of mask. Bulgarian Rose Water Face Mask. 2 of them for calming. Made in Korea. And Korean skincare is hot right now. It's so hot. So we've got a buttload of masks and a whole bunch of neat stuff to try. So in total, was that worth $30? Yes. And not just because I get to open things that I don't know what it is, because I ordered it, but I don't know what it is because it's a grab bag, but because it was fun and they're actually going to be useful. So yay.